Assalamulaikum viewer, how you are? I hope you are well. So today I will show you how to make ladies slim fit a coat pattern and SL theory coat pattern make. So watch full video. So today I will make front part, today I make back part. Today I will make front part based on back cross point, back chest line, back waist line, back hip line, back bottom line. Let's start drafting. Here I same line for front making. Here I drawing same as the back part for front part making. Drawing line for side panel side. Skill theory coat pattern making based on back I before making. Now making front part. Now here I make chest, front chest 38 divided by 3. We got 12.58 inch plus 1/4 inch 14 inch. This is center front line. Here I draw body kit a line for center front line down to hip line. Now here I make across front cross line says divided by 8 says 38 divided by 8 plus 1.5 inch 6/4 inch. This is front cross line. Here I make front neck line scale 613 plus 3/4 inch 3/4 inch scale divided by 6. We got 3 inch plus 3/4 inch 3/4 inch front neckline point quarter inch in mark. Here I make front neck deep chest 38 divided 12 3.5 inch front neck deep 3/4 inch front level fold line collar fold line. Now here I make waist 34 divided by 3 plus 2 inch seam margin loose. We get 13.5 inch. This is front waist. Now here we make hip 40 inch hip divided by 3 plus 1.25 inch. We got 14.58 inch. 14.58 inch. This is front hip. Back side panel line 1/4 inch in mark. Front here. Cross width front length half inch bigger than back. Here I added half inch at center front length. This is front bottom line hip line. Now here I make pocket position from bottom hem 8.5 inch 4 inch pocket distance from center front. Pocket length 5.75 inch. Pocket opening 5.75 inch. Here I make pocket front pocket hole height opening height half inch quarter half inch 2.5 inch front pocket flap. Here make coat pocket flap 3/4 inch center front button overlap. First button second button 4.5 inch up 3/4 inch lapel break point 3/4 inch lapel break full line 5 point neck shoulder point lapel full line same line 3/4 inch front neck line 3/4 inch front neckline front neck deep says 38 divided by 12. We got 3.5 inch lapel wide 3.5 inch 4 inch from center front 5 point shoulder neckline neck underline 3/4 inch lapel wide. Drawing lapel outer line center front lapel front shoulder slope 2 inch front shoulder slope front shoulder line same as the back shoulder line front shoulder line front shoulder line front armor line. Skill theory coat front part draft 1/4 inch inward front chest pocket 4 inch length. Four inch half 2 inch below chest dart length dart wide 3/4 inch That seam allowance 3/4, 3/8 front side line. SQL theory code front part drafting. Half inch for tips. Armor line drawing side panel. Side back bend length. Now final measurement. Back hip 7/2 inch, 7/2, 16 inch, 16 2 times 43, 43 hip 40 inch plus 3 inch loose. Back hip 6 3/4, 14/2 inch, 18/2 2 times 37, waist 34 plus 3 inch. Back hip 7/2 inch, front 16/4 inch, side panel 20/2 inch, 2 times 41 says 38, 3 inch plus 3 inch loose at chest, 3 inch loose at waist, 3 inch loose at hip. SQL theory code pattern drafting finish. Now I cutting 2.5 inch inside mark for center front bottom round shape. Center front bottom round shaped line. 1.5 inch seam margin. Bottom finish line. Center front bottom round line. SQL theory ladies slip bit code pattern drafting and cutting. Back part making and uploaded before. Now I make front part and side panel, and next I will make slip collar and upload it next video. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Thanks for watching. Seam margin, like, share, comment, subscribe my channel. Seam margin, side panel, seam margin. SQL theory code pattern drafting and cutting finish. Seam margin, green line.